Chapter 1 Scientific Reasons. Question 1. Can you tell how a hot air balloon works? Answer. As air is heated, it becomes less dense than the surrounding cooler air. The less dense hot air has enough lifting power to cause the balloon to float and rise into the air. Why is momentum considered equal to 0 when a body comes to rest? Momentum depends upon two factors, mass and velocity. If body comes to rest, it means the velocity becomes 0, which means momentum of the body becomes 0. P is equals to mv. Why do you pull your hands while catching a fast moving ball? To increase the time of catch so that the rate of change of momentum decreases. Thus, a small force is exerted on our hands by the ball. Why students experience a jerk whenever the school bus stops all of a sudden? Students in a bus are also in motion with same velocity as the bus. Due to inertia, students will continue their motion when brakes are applied and they experience a jerk and move forward. Chapter 2 Why it is dangerous to jump from a moving bus. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 Why mass does not differ while weight differs from place to place. Mass is always constant at any place, while the weight of an object depends on the gravity at that place. That's why weight differs from place to place while mass doesn't. Why do we feel pushed outward while a car turns on a curved road? When a car takes a sharp turn, we feel pushed outward direction. It is due to inertia that they want to continue their motion in a straight line and thus fall outwards. Why it is easier to walk wearing flat slippers than the high heel sandals? It is easier to walk wearing flat slippers because the pressure exerted on the ground is lesser than for high heel sandals.